So as you guys would have noticed that I finally gotten my hands on the Huawei Mate30 Pro, and yes, I was truly excited to start using the phone as my daily driver, especially with all its great features in the phone. So in this video, I'll go through the reasons why you should consider getting the brand new Huawei Mate30 Pro and also reasons why you should probably not, so keep watching. Now let's look at my favorite features. Now I have to say that looking at the renders and the pictures online, at first I thought that I was not going to like the design of the phone, but once I got my hands on the phone, I really love how the phone looked like and felt in my hands. The overall design is really iconic, where the rear camera design looks like a physical camera. It is so recognizable the moment I pick up the phone to answer phone calls. People around me knew that this is the Mate30 Pro and immediately asked me about the phone. Now I'm sure you guys know that I'm not a big fan of the notch, but I really love the phone's display and it has improved with the overall design with no physical volume controls, where you just need to tap twice above the power button to go to the volume controls. And what's cool is that you can use the side display just like a gaming trigger buttons, just like a gaming controller to play games like PUBG. Now the next reason I would recommend this phone is of course its amazing video features of the phone. Now if you guys follow me on Instagram, I've just recently posted a video where I shot some amazing low light video on the phone and the footage came out was truly amazing. So if you guys haven't checked it out, be sure to head on to Instagram to check it out right now. And while we all know how a phone of this caliber takes great photos, I really love the video taking capabilities of the phone and the mind-blowing ability to shoot ultra slow motion videos at 7,680 frames per second. It's just... And for those of you who do not know how this works and what it means, this means that the phone takes 7,680 shots within just 1 second. So take a look at this footage where I shot last week using the Mate30 Pro. Right? And the next reason would be the phone's battery. Now since my review of the P30 Pro, I did mention that the phone is indeed a battery king, where it got me about 7 hours plus of screen on time for the phone. And with the Mate30 Pro's 4500 milliamps of battery, I got way more, where I had absolutely no battery anxiety when I used the phone daily, and there were days where I did not need to charge the phone overnight. True story. And on top of that, Huawei's supercharging capabilities is still amazing, which got me about 70% up to 30 minutes. And yes, the supercharger also comes inside of the box. And also worth mentioning is the great wireless charging capabilities to charge other phones as well. As for the next reason, would be catered towards those who are using the MateBook 13, which is the Multiscreen Collaboration. Now this Multiscreen Collaboration is a new feature of the EMUI 10, which offers seamless collaboration between PCs and also the smartphones. With just one tap, your phone screen will appear on the laptop in real time, and what's more is that you can actually drag and drop files between devices and also easily mirror your smartphone's content on the large screen devices. Now this feature is pretty amazing, especially for those of you who are dealing with work assignments or even business proposals, as this makes transferring files from your phone to a laptop seamless and more efficient as well. Alright, let's now talk about the reasons why I don't really recommend the phone. Now firstly, there's no way of getting Netflix to be played on a device no matter what method they have tried through the phone. But for me, this isn't much of an issue since I usually watch Netflix on my TV once I am at home more than on the go. But yeah, this is an issue worth mentioning to you guys. And lastly, for most of you out there, would be the fact of not having Google Play services pre-installed on the phone. Now while there is a video that I did which had a workaround to get some of the apps to work using the phone clone app, as a person who loves Google related apps like YouTube, YouTube Studio for content creators like me, Google Drive, and just by having the Google Play Store installed on the Huawei Mate30 Pro would be a nice cherry on top. But guess what? I just have it right now. So yes, I will show you how to do it soon, so stay tuned to this channel and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Alright guys, in conclusion, the Huawei Mate30 Pro is surely a good device with a price of 3,899 ringgit for the 8 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage. You will get a phone which is great in terms of its value and of course with its amazing capabilities of videography and other technologies which has been incorporated in the device. But for those of you who are picky in software experience, you might want to reconsider as it does not come pre-installed with the Google apps. Now just in case you guys do not know that in order to get yourself the Mate30 Pro or even the Mate 30, you'll need to get a referral code, and the good news is that I finally got one for you guys, so be sure to check out the referral code right here, as this referral program is going on until the 7th of November, and I'll leave a link at the description below if you guys are interested to get yourself one. And with the link you'll also get free gifts worth 656 ringgit. Alright guys, there you have it, my top reasons why you should get the Huawei Mate30 Pro and the reasons why you might not want to consider getting it. And as usual, if you have any questions, do let me know at the comment section below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did and you found this video helpful, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video.